it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be reviewing the Five Wits Ochako Wig. I bought my wig from the Five Wits booth at Katsucon, so I didn't have to pay for shipping, but from looking on their website, it seems like shipping is pretty reasonable. And it comes in a plastic Ziploc baggie, and it has a sticker on the front that has the name of the wig on there. It's not specifically named Ochako because of copyright reasons, but Good Gravity Quirk Release. It's Ochako. And the bag does have a hole in it so the air can come out, which is nice, so it doesn't get all puffed up, especially if you're trying to fit it in a suitcase. And the wig itself comes stuffed with tissue paper and then wrapped in a net to keep it nice, and I already trimmed the tag off it, but it has the Five Wits, and then it has washing instructions and care instructions. My personal favorite is that it says never brush in anger, which is good advice, but I've never seen it phrased that way before. So this is the wig itself, and it's a really nice color. A few of the hairs have come loose, but that's really normal for wigs. So now we will go try it on. And this is what it looks like once it's been tried on. This is straight out of the bag. There's no styling done to it yet. And it's already a really nice shape. The bangs, I just swooped them over to the side. Don't have to cut them. This side is kind of funky, probably because it's been in the bag for so long. But I may have to take a straightener and straighten this side, but otherwise I think it looks really good. It's pretty comfortable. I have a lot of hair that I'm putting underneath this, so it's still pretty comfortable even with that. It's a little bit snug, but it's a lot roomier than some of the other wigs that I've tried. This is my first time getting anything from Five Wits. This is particularly why I wanted to review it, and also I'm cosplaying Ochako tomorrow, so just wanted to give it a test before I wear it out, and I'm really pleased with it. So I probably will be getting more wigs from them in the future. I keep playing with it. It's really thick. A lot thicker than I was expecting, to be honest. It is shedding a little bit, but there's still so many fibers that it's not really a problem. So yeah, that's my review for this wig. I'm really pleased with it. I'll probably be getting more wigs from them in the future. This wasn't sponsored or anything. Like I said, I got this from their booth at Katsucon. I bought it with my own money because I was planning on cosplaying Ochako anyways, but I'm probably will be getting more from them in the future. So for more cosplay videos, please subscribe, and if you want to see tutorials on how I'm going to be making like 3 costumes for Ochako, so if you want to see tutorials on making those costumes, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.